Alrighty, so I chose to use Evernote, and as you can see here, my notebooks, just right over here, I got three. This is the default one it kind of creates for you, and then I also made one about a hobby I do, which is I write a lot of poetry, and then I also made mine EDIC project one. So you can see there's two notes. This little number tells you how many notes are, so there's two in this one, and then there's 7 in this one. That's because I had some malfunctions earlier, but so here, we're going to scroll down. So here are some of my notes for it. I made one about the legislative, the executive, and the judicial branch, kind of breaking them down. And there's a video on this one that I got through Creative Commons. Executive has a picture of kind of the breakdown of some of the executive branch. And then legislative has a picture of the division of powers between the Senate and the House. And then as far as annotated images and everything goes, let me see here. Here we go. Okay, so this is an article that I saved using Evernote that I have highlights in, as you can obviously see. And also, then as far as notes go, sorry, there we go. Alright, so as far as notes go, like this was kind of a malfunction because for some reason this whole area got blacked out. That's why there's a couple copies of this same thing. But it does show how I would make notes. I would just use arrows to point to a highlighted section or just a paragraph in general. And then I would use the text feature and say like main argument or whether that's a supporting detail or something like that. So that is how I used Evernote.